Vroom vroom! Here we go! The Tireless trucks. Champ, Laracha, Toto, Tony, and Big. We can never forget about them. We can usually find Champ and Laracha in the quiet countryside, whereas we can find Big, Tony, and Toto in the busy city. Even though they are so far away from one another, they share one thing in common. That's right, they are all trucks. Champ, he's a truck from the countryside. Did you know he's amazing at receiving boxes? Wow, Champ, you're the man! Champ and Cuckoo went to the city for the first time to see Taiyo and friends by themselves. I mean, it was their first time visiting the city and things weren't going too smoothly.
I think he's trying to tell us something.
Is he telling us to dance along?
It's
so exciting!
Where are you going?
What are they doing? Move now!
Okay.
These city cars are so impatient.
You're right.
Do you remember when he couldn't follow the driving lanes? And not to forget how the two of them got stuck to the wet cement.
Just go back down.
Champ, are you okay?
Uh-oh, what a day for the two! Laracha is also a truck from the countryside. The first time he visited the city, he had a bit of trouble. I mean, all the chickens in his truck escaped from the cage. It was a mess. It really was a hassle to catch all of them, but thankfully Rookie, Taiyo, and Rogi helped Laracha to catch them all. It was especially tricky to catch that one last missing chicken, but with everyone's help, the chickens were back in the cage.
I'll stop him!
Hey, you're not going anywhere! Get him, Rookie!
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, Rogi!
I got it!
Gotcha!
Yippee! Thank you, everyone. Toto is a yellow tow truck. In the garage where he first saw the baby cars, he met Bong Bong. Toto wasn't always the biggest fan of the baby cars. Well, not too long after, the little Bong Bong gets stuck to Toto as the pintle breaks.
It's very fun!
I'll let you go now. Just wait a moment. Oh, that's odd. Oh no, it's stuck. What should I do? I have to go to school quite soon.
Toto had no other option but to bring Bong Bong along with him to school. And guess what happened?
Next, we'll take a look at this place over here. What is this?
Oh, it's a theater! It's where you go to watch movies.
That's right. You know very well.
Huh?
What's that sound?
Toto, did you just fart?
No, I didn't. It wasn't me.
Toto!
Oh, that's...
Oh, poor Toto! This is Tony. He's a delivery truck. He's always really busy delivering boxes. He can carry lots and lots of toys in his truck.
Package, I've got a package for you. Package you've been waiting for. Package, I've got a package for you. Come here, this is for you. La 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 la. I am a delivery man of happiness. La 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 la. I deliver happiness and joy. I'm a happy delivery man.
Oh, remember that time when Tony delivered the wrong box to one boy?
I wonder which box has the toy. Huh? It's dangerous to carry all that luggage at once. I should go and warn him.
Tony, which box is for us?
All right. It should be this one.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Yay!
He was really upset about it. Speaking of which, Big told Tony he could deliver the right box to the boy. Big is a container truck, and he is huge.
Why are you so gigantic?
I'm huge because I carry goods that are sent overseas.
On his way back from the delivery, Big got stuck in the middle of the lane, and this caused a crazy traffic jam. There were so many cars in the road, and Big couldn't do anything. He couldn't move. Luckily, Tony's smart idea saved the day.
If you honk, we can get their attention, and then I can direct the traffic.
Okay, Tony.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yo, it's a bad situation when the traffic gets jammed. You can't go fast and it ruins your plans. We've all got places that we need to be. If you wanna get going, better listen to me. If you think of others, it'll brighten your day. Let's get moving and we'll be on our way. Say traffic rules! Traffic rules! Say safety rules! Safety rules! Yay!
Wow!
Wow! You are really good at rapping, aren't you, Tony?
Yeah, follow me, Big. Yo, when the light turns red, you gotta put on the brakes.
When the light turns red, you gotta brake, yo.
Well, not too much of you, Big. Isn't it cool the 5 of them are trucks, yet they all have different jobs? Who is your favorite truck? Let us know.